Okay. Uh-oh. We finally about to start, Sean. You excited?
Yeah.
You ready? Yeah. Yeah.
Are you excited?
See the truck?
Yeah.
You ready to drive the bulldozer? You want to drive it?
Sean, what you doing up there?
Sean driving the bulldozer. He about to dig a hole. You gonna dig the hole for mommy and daddy?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And of course, today's new update is about how Shine, Quan, we are trying to prepare, I think, the garden using that bulldozer. And you'll be able to see in the video that it is such a happy family. If you saw the first clip that I have shared with you in this video, you'll be able to see that it's such a happy family. And in the comment, the caption below, they had to say that we can't wait to share the good news to Shine. Which good news is that? I think RISSA is already in the preparation to welcome baby number 2, and we wish you a happy delivery to RISSA, and may the Almighty God protect you and also protect the baby, and of course let the baby be healthy. And of course, Shine has that thick hair, curly, and he loves to play around. He's such a jolly person that it is definitely good. So I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also to leave a comment below. Hope you guys are fine. Thank you so much. Just wait for new videos to be uploaded and you'll be able to congratulate Teresa, Quan, and baby Shine.